Yo, what's up guys? This is the Wolf with the new video, and on this video we're gonna be looking at NASDAQ 100. Alright, so guys, what we use on this channel, we use technical analysis. So we only use levels, trend lines, and chart patterns. Alright, so we're not gonna waste any time. So we do what we always do. We go to the highest time frame. Alright, so let's check on daily was popping, or we can even go to weekly. Alright, so here's our chart. So obviously what we start off with levels. So we put up those levels and see what's popping. Alright, so it seems like we're still on this decline, still on this downtrend. Alright, like that's how it seems, because this is what happened. The market failed to go for an upward structure, to go like forever, go up and continue with the overall upwards movement. So meaning now we are under this decline, which is like a downtrend. Alright, so how are you gonna look into it? Because even if you can check on the candlestick here, our day candlestick, the market didn't quite give us what we wanted. It came inside, but obviously it had to happen, because remember, with trends, we always have trends in trends. Alright, so overall structure, we all knew that the overall structure was bearish, and then we had this bullish inner trend, which we were capitalizing on it for some weeks. Alright, but now the market is come back to this bearish trend. Alright, so when will it end? That's what we're gonna find out. Alright, because remember, we don't want the market to break structure to go even below like than it is now. Like, we don't want it to break this bearish trend, go into the downside. Alright, so what we're looking for it to do is to just finish this bearish structure and then head to the and then go up. Alright, that's what we are looking for. But remember, what did I say from the previous videos? What did I say? I did say that we have our main low here. Like, this was our main low. It still is, for as long as it is not broken. So it means that our structure is still intact. We are still heading for the upwards movement. Alright, because this main low of ours is never broken. It's not broken. So we are heading for the upwards movement. Alright, so let's put up this trend here. Alright, so you see, if you look at from this perspective, you can see that okay, we're still on a uptrend. Alright, so meaning this guy here is an inner trend for this whole structure. Alright, for this bigger structure. So this one is just an inner trend. Alright, so what we think the market is gonna do now is that the market from here is gonna give us that direction, because we don't know how the market is gonna open. Alright, but obviously we're just gonna give our forecast. Alright, so maybe, probably, this is what the market's gonna do, and then it might even break or just test, and then maybe give us a double bottom, and then break structure, come back to retest, and then alright, probably, okay, maybe it will go as smoothly as this. Alright, maybe, because if it goes like this, it's gonna be so smooth. Alright, there won't be any more drama. But obviously it's a level here. From here, what it's gonna do, it has to return, maybe from another bearish trend. Alright, maybe this is what the market will do. We don't know for sure what exactly it's gonna do, but hopefully it's gonna be from here. It's gonna be as smooth as this. All right. So obviously, if we see like a Dow bottom somewhere here, we're gonna buy and forget about our trade, man. We're just gonna buy and leave it there. All right. So this is what we see on the market, man. This is what we see. Like, this one can be disputed. Like, the market's gotta give us what we want. But all right. So from its opening, you're gonna have an absolute direction where it's headed next. All right. For now, we're just gonna make speculations because we don't really know how it's gonna go about. All right. But from when it opens, you're gonna have the absolute direction of how the market's gonna go. Because even here, you kind of have a level. Yeah, somewhere here we do have a level. So yeah, the market better do the right thing, man. Better do the right thing. Maybe it's gonna, from here, it's gonna just break structure, going to the upside. But we don't know, man. Just gonna wait for it to give us that absolute direction. All right. So it's still kind of funny. Maybe here, you never know, man. Because this is NASDAQ. All right. Like, it might do something like something so crazy, because it can be so volatile, and when it does, because just look at these candlesticks, man. Just look at these candlesticks. These were very powerful bearish movements, like very powerful, man. The volatility was crazy, man. All right. So from this coming week, just gonna be looking at it, gonna respond according to what it gives us. All right. What it gives us, you're gonna just respond to it. Because remember, man, when the market goes this crazy, it's gonna be hard for it to return back just like that, unless when it opens, like now on Monday, when it opens, maybe it's gonna open somewhere here, do that jump. Yeah, if it does that jump, then yeah, it's gonna be easy for it to break structure going to the upside. All right. But if it continues with this movement, it's gonna be very difficult for NASDAQ like to just break structure like that. Alright, it's gonna be difficult. So if it opens from here, yeah, we're gonna carry on for our structure, man. Maybe from here, give us a Dow, something like a Dow bottom. Alright. Eventually break, man, because that's what we're looking for. At the end of the day, it's gonna break structure. Alright. So just gonna wait for it, man. Remember, you don't control the market. All we do is to respond according to what the market gives us, man. But this is our analysis. We are certain about it, man. Not gonna hesitate. If it gives us what we want, just gonna go like brutal on it. Alright. But yeah, hopefully it's gonna come from this level, or even touch this trend line. Alright. So we're just gonna see, man. We're just gonna wait and see how the market turns out. Alright. So man, if you like the video, you know what you have to do, man. I don't even have to remind you. If you are new here, you also know what you have to do, man. If you like the content, there's something you have to do. You know what it is, man. So, really appreciate it, guys. Thanks for your time, man. And peace out.